Welcome, you're watching DBMN TV. This is Monli Saurambai bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The inauguration of Don Bosco College, TC Palia, Bengaluru on the 9th of March 2023 was a much-awaited historic moment that was graced by the presence of Reverend Father Miguel Angel, General Councillor for Youth Ministry, Reverend Father Biju Michael, Regional Councillor for South Asia, Reverend Father Jose Koyikal, Provincial Bangalore Province, Reverend Father Shalbin, the Vice Provincial, Reverend Father Joy, Economer, Monsignor C. Francis, Monsignor S. Jayanathan, Reverend Father Alex, Rector Visvadeep, Reverend Father Bosco, Rector Christu Jyoti College, and Reverend Father Joe C.M., Director Don Bosco College. The inauguration started with cutting the ribbon at the gate, followed by the traditional aarti with the flowers, incense and light. The statue of Don Bosco, the patron of our college, was unveiled by Reverend Father Biju Michael. Reverend Father Miguel Angel inaugurated the main building that was followed by prayers and blessing of the entire campus. The welcome address was delivered by Reverend Father Alex, Rector Visvadeep, and stressed that Don Bosco College would cater to the needs of the locality with a state-of-art infrastructure and dedicated faculty members that would be affordable. From the 8th to the 10th of March, in the Fortezza da Bosco in Florence, the Salesians of Italy took part in Didacta, the main innovation fair in the school world. With a stand animated by the National Center for Salesian Works Professional Update Training (CNOS FAP) and by the National Center for Salesian Works School (CNOS School), the Salesians were able to present their training offer also through workshops and conferences. It is important for us to be here at Didacta because as CNOS FAP, we need to innovate our way of training to keep up with the times to make young people always ready to face new challenges with the old values that tradition brings with it, said Don Fabrizio Benalume, Director General of CNOS FAP. 6,000 young people from the Salesian youth movement in Portugal and many other countries have already signed up to participate in World Youth Day, WYD, which will be held in Lisbon in August 2023. Coming from countries as diverse as Germany, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, Angola, China, Korea, Pakistan, the Dominican Republic, Papua New Guinea, Pakistan and Poland, among the many listed, these 6,000 young people who have already signed up through WYD Don Bosco 23, they don't want to miss this great meeting of young people from all over the world with the Pope. Through WYD Don Bosco 23, the organization of the Salesian Youth Movement SYM, responsible for the convocation and participation of young people from various environments from all over the world at the WYD in Lisbon 2023, the boys and girls of the SYM of all latitudes and geographical reality will be able to experience this youth festival according to Don Bosco's charism. WYD Don Bosco 23, in fact, also wants to integrate WYD 2023, accompanying all the dynamics and moments foreseen in the official program of the event, as well as enhancing on a particular day that of the SYM Day, all its associative dimension and typically Salesian youth. On the 5th of March, that is Sunday, a Mass was celebrated between Argentines and Chileans, an event that has been repeated fraternally since 1950. Every year, this celebration is prepared by the parishes of Cura Heru in Chile and of Junín de los Andes in Argentina, and after 2 years off due to the pandemic, it was organized again. In Junín de los Andes, in the Salesian parish of Nuestra Señora de las Nieves and Laura Vicua, preparations were made for the celebration together between Argentines and Chileans. The Mass was presided over by Monsignor Francisco Javier Stegmirier, Bishop of Villarica, Chile, and concelebrated by Monsignor Fernando Croxato, Bishop of Nequin. The Mass was also attended by the parish priest of Junín de los Andes, Father Carlos Gomez SDB, and the parish priest of Cura Rihue, Father Janus Furtak, as well as seminarians from both countries, consecrated lay people and pastoral workers. On the 3rd and 4th of March, the Inter-Salesian Games of Secondary Schools organized by the Salesian Educational Sports Committee, CODES in Spanish, were held at the Salesian Institute Don Bosco in Huichapan. The participants, students from 6 Salesian schools and other public and private educational institutions, competed in an atmosphere of brotherhood and healthy competition in the sports disciplines of basketball, soccer and volleyball. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.